What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be going over optimism, going over some technicals, talking about where optimism can go next after this. And then also, we're going to look at some other stuff. So, definitely hit that like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over first. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. Let's go straight over optimism, though. So, the first thing I want to show here is this: the Optimism attacker returns 17 million stolen OP tokens. So that's pretty cool. They sent some of the money to Vitalik Buterin and then kept some of the money for themselves. But for the most part, Optimism got most of the money back. So that's good. They walked away with like a cool $900,000, which is really big. But, still they got to keep most of the money that they lost. So that is all good, all in well. And then the next thing here in Optimism I want to talk about is the price action we're having. So look, I was talking about this support earlier that we were going to reach eventually, and that was the 0.47 support pretty much, which is 47 cents. But anyways, going all the way down to about 47 cents here. And then look, when we hit that 47 cents, that was really good support over there from 47 cents all the way up to the higher area of 0.478. So we had some really good support in these areas. Like I said, the green areas over here, supply and demand of more demand. Red areas, less demand. You see that they're transitioning to green. Now we're having lots of demand in the area. So if we were to do a pullback here inside of Optimism, that pullback would pretty much bring us to this next green area here. So we are up here at this red area, which pretty much indicates resistance. So right over here at 0.625, yeah, we're hitting resistance here. So that's sending us back down. So now we're really getting set back down to this 0.555 area. And that is really where we're probably going to end up sitting until tomorrow. And then we're probably going to have some huge movements from there. Now, that's if we don't just become randomly bullish, continuing this path to the uptrend. And the same thing goes for Bitcoin and every other crypto. Everything's pretty much having this, jump from the bottom. And you can kind of see that with the charts whenever you look at the last 14 days. There's just a random jump that's coming from the 15th of June all the way up. And it is the 15th now, but that's what I'm saying. Like, there's a random jump coming from the bottom pretty much. But this could just be a bull trap. So you got to prepare for the worst here. So that's why I'm saying, like, maybe expect it to just do a pullback here and trying to break this resistance again, and then possibly going back down to the previous area of support that we had down here that was at that 47 cents area. So that's what I'm looking at this for. Now, anything can happen. Maybe the bull trap extends longer, where we continue to pump and have a pump that brings us up to about 7 cents and 0.71, possibly all the way up here to 0.80. And remember, the only reason why I'm saying bull trap is because the overall crypto market is going down, and that will drag Optimism down one way or another. Maybe Optimism stays bullish for a few days while the whole overall crypto market sells off, like how Baby Doge did. But the likelihood of that happening is not too high. And on top of that, after a few days, maybe even a week, you'll see Optimism following the whole entire crypto market, because everything is going to follow Bitcoin. At the end of the day, that's just what happens. But yeah, as we can see here, though, Optimism is a little bit higher on Bitcoin in the gains for the last 24 hours, 6.4% here for Optimism, 2.6% for Bitcoin. So yeah, we are up more with the percentage. Now you are seeing that pullback happen, so we actually may see that 55 cents coming earlier than expected. And then after that, we'll know whether or not we could become bullish or bearish after that. So we got to wait. But over here on the oscillator, it is showing that these two areas of purchasing over here was just pretty much two overbought areas. That's what the indicators are showing us. And it's showing that it is a bearish movement, because the buying previously was a lot less than the buying that we're having now, which is pretty much showing that there's less demand for Optimism. And then not necessarily Optimism, but the whole overall crypto market. But for Optimism particularly, you're seeing the selling here is starting to get a little bit less, but it's probably going to have an inflection point where the next buying is going to be smaller than that one, and then the next selling smaller, and then just a huge sale coming after that. And that's kind of how these things happen. It looks like it's having some kind of little consolidation right here. But yeah, we could have anything like that coming up pretty soon. And I just think this is a whole overall bear trap inside the crypto market. I think we're probably going to get one more nice crash, bringing us down to like 15K. But anyways, this is pretty much all I have for you all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out a lot for the YouTube algorithm. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And as always, I'll be back with another video.